Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin still holding this 21k, keeps trying to wick out and then jumps back up. A lot of volume at this line. Let's see if Bitcoin can actually hold it. MCRT is still holding strong against this Bitcoin onslaught. And we have a large marketing campaign now of gaming influencers, crypto influencers. This has been initiated and it's going to start building. We're also going into all the exchange launches and the eventual listing, the public closed beta, which you need to either have 1 million MCRT or 1 Genesis NFT to enter into MCRT. MCRT went in up the equivalent of 11 times in the last month. Meaning if you invested $1,000 1 month ago and I said do your own due diligence but pay attention, you now have $11,000. If you invested $100,000, you have 1.1 million. So big congratulations to all of you, and we're just getting started. The market cap is only 30 million, comparable to Axie Infinity 1.5 billion, comparable to Ethereum 400 billion, comparable to BNB 60 billion. You get the point. Comparable to Solana 50 billion. We have a long way to go for Magiccraft. And play to earn games are very big. That's why they had so huge valuations. That's why Axie Infinity has $1.5 billion valuation. Why? Because play to earn gaming is going to be it's right now, gaming industry is a $300 billion a year industry. When you add cryptocurrency to it, it's taking it to the next level. There's 3 billion gamers worldwide. Anyone with a mobile phone can play, and it will bring all those people, 3 billion people, into crypto. And that's what's very important. In Magiccraft, you're going to have your wallet integrated. There will be your own Magiccraft wallet as well. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals for Bitcoin. It's still holding this line. A few weeks down, this is now the fourth attempt. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's no longer a double bottom. It's more like it's really building a bottoming formation. And we have a lot of support here on this line. You can see here many supports. It held up exactly as I said here. Many touches on this line, and it's holding. Now, is it holding before it just breaks through, or is it holding to actually turn up? That's the question. I still think we're bottomed out and that we're in this channel, bouncing between 25, 21, 25, 21. Next stop should be 25. If we break underneath here, it can come back to 19k, and there is also a very strong support, but that will not be good for the markets. On the weekly, we're oversold. Daily, extremely oversold. 4 hourly, building pressure. Hourly, overbought a little bit. We do have a kind of rising, it's moving upwards, support here, a little bit of a channel here. I would still be sticking to the upside because there's such a big potential here. If you catch the bottom of this, if this really is the bottom, the upside trade risk reward ratio is so little for massive gains. If you took this, we're exactly in the same spot as yesterday. So it went up, then came back down. This is still the trade that I would take. It's opening the trade at 21,294, stop loss at 20,692. So risking $600, and the take profit at the top all the way back up at $54,228. $54,228. So you're risking $600 to make $54,000 unleveraged. With 10x leverage, that'll be $540,000 of profit. So that's the trade that I'll still take. That's the most profitable compared to shorting at the bottom. The time to short, everyone, was on November 11th, the day of the top 2021, when I called the day of the top at 69k. Shorting down here is not smart. You need to be trying to be entering. You buy high and you sell high and you buy low. Everyone always does the opposite of this for a very long time. It takes them years to really understand this. But you sell high and you buy low. Again, you sell high and you buy low. Everyone repeat after me. Sell high, buy low. And now we are low. It can drop more, but we are low. Just keep that in mind. If we break through here, if we can break through this red line, then we form a giant W formation that can really send Bitcoin. It's very oversold in my opinion. So that's what's happening in Bitcoin. Magiccraft again leading the entire market. Yesterday was a red day in the stocks and crypto markets. Magiccraft still up towards the top in the green. Most of the market in the red, including stocks. Magiccraft is holding at just under 2 cents, 0.018. about even for the day, ranked 522 now, ranked 522. It's now on Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Phantom Chain, Certic audited, just under $30 million market cap, 28 million. Volume 2.4 million, lots of volume, and it's building a lot of pressure here the last day. I'm kind of moving sideways. A few attempts at 2 cents and then getting rejected. People taking their profits after 1,100%. I would not, guys, the market cap is 30 million. If it goes to the equivalent of Axie Infinity, which Magiccraft is a much better game, you're talking about a 50 times movement. We moved 11 times in the last month. So if you had $1,000, you would now have $11,000. If you put in $1 million, you have 11 million. We still have 50 times to go before Axie Infinity, meaning $1,000 can become $50,000. $1 million can become $50 million. This is not the time. In my opinion, you have to always do your due diligence. I'm the founder of this project, but it's not the time to be selling when we have a large marketing campaign going. When you have the potential, like for example, if you're selling it, say you put a $10,000 and you made $110,000 in the last month, and then you're putting that $110,000 into Solana, for example, because you think Solana is cheap. Solana, so our market cap on Magiccraft, which has the potential to be one of those big top 10 cryptocurrencies, that's my goal. For example, our market cap is 28 million. So you're selling this to then put it in Solana. Solana has a market cap of, let's see. Solana's market cap is sitting at 12 billion. So if you're selling Magiccraft to put it into Solana, you're selling a $30 million market cap to put it in a $12 billion market cap. Or Cardano, 15 billion. They haven't been doing anything for many years. Or XRP, 17 billion. I watched XRP raise billions of dollars about 6 years ago, and they haven't done anything. Look what Magiccraft has done in the last 1 year. Less than, we're 9 months old. BNB, 48 billion. BNB is a good one. But just keep that in mind if you're selling MCRT to buy those. Our market cap is 28 million compared to their 20 billion, etc. On the weekly, looking beautiful. On the monthly, looking amazing. Still trending up 11 times, which is amazing. The total value lock, people are buying MCRT and staking it. The total value lock now is 424 million. This is the APR, the locking bonuses and the different locking periods, which is beautiful. You can get MCRT on PancakeSwap. Right now, one Ethereum gets you around 414 cake, or one Ethereum gets you now 90,000 MCRT, 90,000. 100 USDT, 1,000 MCRT, 1,000 USDT now gives you 55,000 MCRT. And 1 month ago, 1,000 MCRT gave you 580,000 MCRT. That's what I'm talking about the potential of the growth. We're still ranked in the top 500. Our goal is to get to the top 10. What else is happening? So on Twitter, Magiccraft reached 95,000 members now. This is the trailer for the game. You can check it out. This is the PC version and the mobile version. So this is PC. This is mobile. And we're already in closed beta testing internally in the team. MCRT is coming first for metaverse projects for the last 7 days, up 122%. And that's our goal. Our goal is to be not just the #1 play-to-earn game, but take on Meta, Facebook, in the metaverse. They have a $600 billion valuation. This is me and Dr. Javan testing out Android versus iOS. Live beta testing. Me and him are fighting each other for MCRT. I won. MCRT was the most traded token on PancakeSwap, even more than Cake, which is incredible achievement. The most traded PancakeSwap, more than the native token Cake or Stargate or Mobox or a lot of big tokens. Don't forget, you can win $40,000 worth of MCRT signing up to BitGet and depositing MCRT into BitGet. There's $40,000 of MCRT to be won there. Michael Rubel, crypto gaming adoption is set to nearly double in the US this year, according to Finder's NFT gaming adoption. Magiccraft is making some big moves in the gaming space, and he talked about Magiccraft epic video.
Market is down significantly from all-time highs. I've been keeping my eye out for a number of play-to-earn NFT games because in the next bull market, I think these are the projects that are going to see the most widespread adoption. We're going to see more people getting into the crypto space using play-to-earn NFT games. I think these really have the biggest potential to be massive returning projects. So today I want to talk about one project in particular that I recently came across. It's called Magiccraft, and
check out his video, everyone. It's epic. You can see the crypto could explode fast in the next bull run. Check out his video. He made an epic video. And join us in the Telegram. There's 44,000 members in here, and these are everyone just talking in the last 10 minutes or the last few minutes. Everyone chatting to each other, discussing things, talking at 44,000 members, all loving each other, helping each other. It's a great group of people. Check them out inside the Magiccraft Telegram. Let's check out now Ethereum and the total DYDX. Let's do DYDX because this is what's affecting the crypto markets. Oh, it looks so strong. Not good, everyone, on the weekly. DYDX looking very strong here. Fighting with the strong resistance here. Pushes up, stochastic turning up. On the daily, very overbought. So the DYDX, the US dollar, is very overbought on the daily, but it's bull flagging. Very strong. The US dollar is pushing up, which is incredible because they printed so much that it should actually be weak, but it's not. It's so in demand. Look at this big W formation forming. So the DYDX could be going to 120, which will be not a very good thing for all stock and crypto markets. But it is now overbought. And we haven't seen the DYDX this high since 2002. The DYDX hasn't been this high since 2002. The time before that was in 1987. So it's incredible. The DYDX really pushing hard. Very overbought on the daily, very overbought on the 4-hourly. It's just overbought at the moment, but it is still pushing strong. It's still bull flagging, so it is going to make a massive move. It made a huge move yesterday. Let's look at Ethereum. Up a bit today, Ethereum getting a bounce back, which is good. On the weekly, overbought, turning to head down, but still pushing up. It's holding at this support here, which is a good sign. On the daily, oversold. The rising wedge played out, unfortunately. It's holding on this support here. Let's see if it can get a bounce and a recovery here. On the 4-hourly, double bottom here on the 4-hourly, which is a good sign. We have a double bottom here. So Ethereum could be moving up here, a W formation. If we can get a strong movement here, it will be very good for the markets. The next resistance, I would go long on Ethereum here. Stop loss just underneath and the target at the top here. That's the trade that I would take. Actually, I'd do it up here. No, here would be the strong resistance. 1.56, risking $108 to make $170. That's where I think Ethereum could be going. I'm going to draw it out. So what I think is going to happen here. It's a large head and shoulders, actually. Double bottom, movement up. I would move here and then a drop and then bouncing. This is what I think will happen with Ethereum. So thank you for watching, everyone. Next video, I'll do Solana. Pay attention to MCRT. It's incredible, 1,100% in the last month. This is the last month of Ethereum, of MCRT. While Bitcoin has been dropping, the entire world noticed this. While Bitcoin had this big drop on this day, on the 18th, Bitcoin went from 25K. MCRT dropped from here down to here and then had a full recovery while the rest of the market has been massively bleeding, which is a very strong sign. And everyone noticed this for Magiccraft. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.